What's going on, guys? It's Chaz of Nerp Tech, and I am hot. The temp in my car just read 94. I've been in the shop all day, so it is toasty. Just wanted to go over a couple things real quick before we get into the next video. The feedback from the control arms with just the clear coat on them, I was getting a lot of good feedback on the looks. I'm on my way right now to drop off another batch at Metal Prep in Rockford, Illinois. If you're local and need some powder coating done, definitely give them a call. But anyway, like I said, I've been getting a lot of good feedback on the looks of that. The clear, you can still see the colors in welding, you can see the welds and everything. Just wanted to let you guys get some options. So do you guys want to see the white arms brought back, some black ones, some like gunmetal gray? What do you guys want to see me offer, and I will throw it on the site. So like I said, this batch will all be, it's like 10 more sets I believe, and they will all be cleared, but I will have another batch welded up and delivered sometime next week. And like I said, just you guys want to see some gunmetal ones, some black ones, what do you want to see? Let me know, and we'll get into the next video. Hey guys, out here turning some plugs to weld onto the top of my intercooler. Going with the V-mount, I needed to make all new mounting and brackets and the whole nine. So I have the radiator mounts done, and I'm going to, like I said, turn and tap these plugs to weld on top of the intercooler. I'll use those to make my mounting with. I could use a little bit smaller diameter. I seemed to drive a little hard back in the day when my car actually ran, so I'm gonna go with a bigger diameter so I can have a little more surface area. Hopefully the top plate on the intercooler help keep it from bending so much as if I was to use, say, 1 inch. I'm using something around 1.5, and I'll turn it down a little bit just to get it cleaned up. And here we go. Turn this down before I get some copyright issues. Hi, the Prince. So I taken a bath, given my oil pan a nice little wet down. I power washed my oil pan. So it's looking pretty good. Inside's nice and good. There's no chips or residue left from the welding and the grinding and the nonsense. I didn't spend too much time on the outside. Not extremely worried about it. I did get the majority of just like the buildup and all of that, but this is not a show car. It's just a somewhat nice looking drift car, I'd like to say. So it's good enough for that. Before I actually glue it in, I'll take some sandpaper. I will scuff the top lightly all the way around the oil pan, and I'm just basically going to do that to make sure that there's no dings, dents, imperfections on it. And that's just the machinist in me wanting to make sure that all surfaces that will be contacting each other are clean, smooth, free of, like I said, maybe a ding from transporting it, welding, grinding, drilling. You never know. It'd suck to get it all the way in and then have a leak, pull it down, and it was from something as stupid as it's like a burr from one of the holes of grinding, you know, whatever. So I'm going to do that, and one step closer to putting it in. Shout out to Jordan for the beautiful welds for my return line. I don't remember what size it is, dash 12 maybe? Went big. But so that's it for the oil pan. Now on to hardware is already cleaned up, the stuff I am reusing. Off to getting this guy ready to go and get it mounted.